Hello, this is Prashant Jalpati. I'm here to discuss about house price prediction. Introduction. Machine learning is a branch of AI that we uses the various algorithms that the technologies of the insights of the large amount of data. Machine learning is a techniques are suitable for a big data since humans could never hope the analyze the such enormous data sets without assistance. In computer science, machine learning is a make of the effort to find that the algorithms solutions to a solo mathematical ones. So the foundation lies in the developing algorithm that they enable machine learning. However, machine learning may be as a broken down into a two categories: supervised and unsupervised. In a supervised setting, the software is thought to make a prediction by analyzing a small data of non-data. In an unsupervised setting, the computer seeks for a pattern in the data without any oversight. And the when it comes to all data sets, and aim on the purpose of these data sets, according to the no free launch theorem, the efficiency of a certain algorithm varies depending on the specifics of their use. The purpose of this research to compare the efficiency to four different regression methods, that is multiple linear, lasso, range, and random forest, and an artificial neural network ANN, that is ANN for forecasting future housing mark values. Therefore, this research is aimed to expanding the understandings of a machine learning regression theorem and datasets. Both public and local datasets are utilized for this analysis. The database covers the year of 2006 through 2010 and is based on Amon's law. The law's 80 characteristics in each record provide more information on the home in questions. Features like a sale price, year bought, or year sold, etc. Prediction will be made using the futures sale price, which will afterwards be eliminated. Only 79 attributes remain, 37 of which are numerical and rest of categorical. The techniques will be used to examine and pre-process the both data sets. Data is handled in a variety of ways by the approaches. As a result, the pre-processing is performed in a series of rounds during which the correctness is assumed by comparing the correct combination to a previous one. The datasets must be divided in a off so that the off may be used to train and the model, and the other of is a testing and assessment. 75% of the data will be used for training and 25% data will be used for testing. And when it comes to the coloration and public database, coloration of your data, the coloration provides an overall picture of a degree of link between amenities and the home cost. The percent confusions and the coloration is being used in order to determine the degree of relationship. The future affects the asking the price in the public data sets. Statistical evidence of a favorable association is a prediction accuracy of a public data. The precisions of a prediction made using the whole suite of a pre-processing techniques applied to a original data. An accurate evaluations of a compares the observed values to those anticipated by a model. In this way, the higher the accuracy of your predictions, the closer the points are. Despite the having of the greatest score, with the shows the R2 score falls the training the ANN model. The graph shows that the ANN differences from the other methods by using a lower prediction. As can be seen in the table 8, the R2 and the RMS values for the regression method are much lower, indicating they are more accurate. As a result, Lasso has the greatest prediction accuracy in the publicly available data because it's a high R2 and a low RMS score, which indicates that this it's a model it will be fated, and the prediction accuracy of a local data. The accuracy, when it comes to prediction accuracy of a local data, the accuracy is lower than that publicly available information. Both the RMSE and the R2 scores attained by the algorithm and algorithm and are they rather repeatable, and although all the models are underfitted, the random forest outperformed the other since it's a better fitted. In the score, ANS prediction accuracy was so that the higher than the multiple linear has shown. The main difference between ANN and multiple linear is that the ANN has a higher R2 score, indicating that the training model is a somewhat better suited than the data sets is employed of the prediction result. When R2 is near to 1, indicates that the data are very well matched to the training model. The root mean squared error that reveals that the disappear between the observed and an anticipated value. The greatest values are the achieved when RMSE is very near to O. By comparing the R2 and RMSE values, we can see that the model rather than the fitted well. Conclusion. As accepted, the public data performed when since it was a future rich and had a high correlation, but the local data performed poorly when the same pre-processing approach the uses of because it was a different shape and the public data. Thus, the new characteristic ideally with a high connection with a hum price need to be added to the local data. However, the best R2 score achieved by Lasso, while the greatest RMC score was provided by ANN. Ultimately, the richest found the Lasso outperformed the other algorithm terms of accuracy of your prediction. And this is all. And thank you for